Alright, hey traders, I hope you're doing well. It's Sunday morning here in the morning, and I've just finished my trading and I want to let you know what I am doing. Alright, so I just bought something like, it was 5,000 contracts. 5,000 contracts I just bought for SLV. Now they're out of the money options again. But 5,000 contracts I just bought. So I'm not going to put a dollar figure on that and stuff like that. You put that there, but it was actually I had problems getting filled. I put my order in and I got filled at like 50 contracts. And yeah, actually no, 44. I had 5,000 and I had 44 contracts partial fill, and then I had to put up my bid just a little bit more to get filled. And then I put in and I got filled on my last one. 4,956 was my last fill there. So so that's what I did this morning, guys. It was quite a big order that I did for silver. Yeah, let's just see let's just see what happens with that. So I'm really excited. Plus also, guys, I didn't get into this morning, but I am looking to get into early next week. Again, I'm buying more VIX. I think the VIX right now is ripe, and so I'm going to look to buy some more VIX. And it's going to be probably $100,000 position. No, it is going to be $100,000 position. So, guys, and please don't think I'm making this up. I'm not. I'm letting you know what I'm doing. Okay. So I've just bought a lot of contracts with SLV. I see that thing really, at least SLV to the 25 mark. You know, that's where I said if I can get to the 25 mark, you know, I'll double my money and I'll be happy. Do you know what I mean? So that's where I see SLV, silver, and the VIX. The VIX right now, guys. The VIX right now is actually doing something really, really interesting where I think something big's going to happen in August. I don't know why, but the VIX is telling me that. If you studied the VIX, you'll be able to see what's actually going on through there. So I didn't get in this morning to the VIX, but probably Monday morning or Monday, probably Sunday night here or Monday day, I'll have a look at it and then I'll put orders in to get filled when the market opens, and we'll see how we go from there. So, but anyway, guys, that's it for me. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Just want to let you guys know what I'm up to. A quick little rounds with the markets. Probably, guys, you know, it's really interesting with all the indexes and stuff like that. You know, it's really interesting. It's like, you know, possibly I see a bit more upside next week. It looks like the Dow's pulled back to that previous high. So I actually see a little bit more upside next week for all the indexes. The Nasdaq and the Russell are obviously just bullet out of the gates, especially the Nasdaq. That's going to have a pullback soon, but I don't know when. I think that's going to try to race the new highs. I honestly do. I think the S&P is trying to break up and out to race to that 2,200 mark, around about there. And the Dow Jones right now, guys, is really, really holding its support quite nicely. You know, around the 18,350 mark. That's roughly where the previous high was last year. That's holding it quite nicely. So, guys, this actually might hold here and then run back up, and then the Dow might try to make another new high for the year. So, anyway, guys, very, very interesting. I haven't done my full analysis, but that's just what I'm seeing on the front end there. Yeah, the VIX had a decent pullback here today. As you can see, 5.27%. It's down right now, $11.90. I'm cool with that. As I said before, I'm really, really cool with that. If you go back look at the VIX, this is probably round about the low point. Now, but from here down to from here, another dollar down. This is where the absolute low point it ever gets to, guys. So if you don't think now is a great time to buy a long term, you just don't know the probabilities of trading, because yeah, it's like from now, I think the lowest it's ever been to is like $9.90, $10. So guys, you got maybe $1 or $2 on the downside, and if something bad happens in the next couple of months, lots and lots of dollars on the upside. So anyway, guys, that's it for me. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.